हेल' लोगोफोर आं दिनै नोंसोर मोनसे गोदान भिडिअ लाबोदों मोनसे इन्टारेस्टिं भिडिअ बड' फिल्म प्रडाक्शन माने जायखौ जों आरबि फिल्म प्रडाक्शन होनना मिथिनाय जायो बेखौ दिनै इन्ड'नेसियानि माखासे मोनसे इउटिउब चेनेल प्रडाक्शना बिसोरखौ मोनसे रिएक्शन खालामदों माने बिसोरनि सायाव सावरायदों आरोना माने दिनै जोंनि बड' फिल्म इन्डास्ट्रियाबो इन्ड'नेसियान पिपल माने बाहेरानि आलदा विदेशी कान्ट्रिफोरनि मानसिजों माने रायलायजादों माने दायो जों बुंनो हायो जोंनि बड' फिल्म प्रडाक्शना एसे मिथिसारजानाय जाबाय एबा एसे फेमास जाबाय होननानै जों बिनि गेजेरजों बुंनो हायो आरोना दानिया नोंथांमोना भिडिअखौ नायलांदो भिडिअआव नोंथांमोना बिसोर रायलायनायनि माने बिसोर डिसकाशन खालामनायनि खोथाफोरखौ खोनासंनो मोनगोन आरोना बियो मोनसे माने हिउहांस जायखौ जों मिथिनाय जायो बिसोरो आरबि फिल्म प्रडाक्शननि सायाव सावरायदों दानिया जों बिसिनि सावरायनायनि जायफोरनाखि रेकर्डिं बेखौ जों नायलांगोन आरो खोनासंलांगोन दानिया फैदो लोगोफोर खोनासंलांनिसै नायलांबाय था भिडिअखौ
As always, guys, welcome
to the Hubang Show.
So we're gonna check out this music video called Birwi Birwi, which is going to be sung by Suleka Basumatari under the production of, let's see, RB Films. This is requested by, let me check it out. I forgot the name. It's requested by NZ Travel Lover. NZ Travel Lover said that Hubang Show, in the comment, believe it or not, this is what he said. We need to react more on Bodo tribe contents from Northeast India.
Oh, there's a tribe named Bodo, yeah?
Yeah, this is Bodo. We reacted to a Bodo. Remember the food? Somebody, make yang makannya kayak gini. Remember?
Oh, yeah.
Remember? I forgot what is the content, but I remember we reacted to. As you say, we need to react more on Bodo contents because I think we reacted a lot of mostly from Mizo, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Manipur. Oh shit. We're an expert on Northeast India. So without any further ado, we're gonna check out this music video right now.
Check it out. Yay!
Alright, I'm gonna. Wait. Sorry. We're gonna pause it right here. So, yeah. Before we Before we continue to our discussion, guys, don't forget to donate. Or if you guys would like to know more about us, click on our social links below. If you like our video, don't forget to share and subscribe.
And give it a like.
To the discussion.
Yeah.
This video, I think of all the music videos that I've heard from Northeast India, or the music that I've heard from Northeast India, this is the closest one that is very similar to the Indonesian genre, which is dangdut.
Yeah.
Because there is a lot of what is it called? Flute?
Gendang? What is gendang? Drum. Yeah.
And there's also a lot of flute.
Oh yeah. The flute also.
So I thought I don't know about and then I realized if you okay, this is just me blabbering. If you look at the kain, the
The
kain,
fabric, yeah.
the fabric
Yeah,
is very similar to the design of batik ulos.
Ah,
Kain
batik
ulos.
ulos from Batak.
Batak,
Yes.
yeah,
Sumatera, yeah?
very similar. You know, like kain ulos is not really very like Javanese batik is very rich in design,
Yeah.
but the what's it called? The Batak from the Sumatra, North Sumatra is actually more like simple, very rich
Simple
in
but
color.
very colorful, yeah.
Yes, I think the design, this one is very similar, I think. And
Yeah.
if you look at the music video, this
Yeah.
music video use a very, very expensive camera though.
With the drone, yeah, I think.
Maybe with a drone, but the FPS, the frame per second for this video is 50.
Oh.
So
Oh,
this
yeah?
is, I think this is very, I don't know if you can see it because you're using my screen to watch it, right?
Yeah, yeah.
But actually some of the movement in the video is actually very fast. I thought that was very interesting though. But all in all, when I was listening to this song, it doesn't feel like listening to a Northeast Indian music.
It's like listening to dangdut, yeah.
It's like listening to dangdut actually.
And what I like from the music video is how they kind of shot in different angle in the nature. Do you get it? I mean, like it's only like padang rumput apa sih, meadow ya.
The field.
It's only like a field, like near the forest, but they can took in different angle and kind of emphasize in the beauty of the nature. You see, yeah.
I thought this is very, because like really though, I didn't really pay attention to the videography of the what's that called, the video.
Yeah.
I kind of pay attention to really the surrounding. As always, Northeast India always capture the greenery, the scenery of Northeast India. That's an included one, but I'm really amazed with the song. Actually, the whole song, because I was like listening to this. I was like, doesn't sound. Is this Indonesian, something like that? And then I thought that was very interesting. Thank you to NZ Traveler. That was a very good recommendation, and we hope to see more subscribers
Bodo.
from Bodo Tribe. So as always, guys, thank you for watching, and we'll see you
Thank you
next
for
time.
watching. Yeah.
दानिया लोगोफोर बिदिब्ला जोंनि बर' फिल्मनि आरबि फिल्म प्रडाक्शना दिनै इन्ड'नेसियानजों मोजांब्लाबो गाज्रिब्लाबो रिएक्शन खालामजादों, माने एसे नोजोर होजादों आरोना। स' बिदिबा जों दायो बुंनो हायो जोंनि आरबि फिल्म प्रडाक्शना जोंनि बर' हारिखौ एसे जौगाहोगासिनो, माने एसे डेभेलप खालामगासिनो, माने बर' फिल्म प्रडाक्शनखौ। स' बिदिबा नोंथां लोगोमोन, जों बयबो माने सापर्ट खालामलायनांगौ आरोना। माने बियो जोंनिनो हारिनि मोनसे जौगानायनि लामा नालाय, जों बेखौ सापर्ट खालामलायनांगौ आरोना। स' बिदिबा नोंथांमोन, जों गावनि हारिखौ जुदि मोजां मोनोब्ला बा हारिखौ डेभेलप खालामनो सानोब्ला जों बेफोरबायदिखौ सापर्ट खालामलायनांगौ। आरो बे फिल्म प्रडाक्शनाथ' ओरैबायदि मोजां मोनसे प्रडाक्शन, मोजां भिडिअ फिल्मफोर हगारो। आंबो आरो बे फिल्म प्रडाक्शननि मोनसे बिग फेन, नोंसोरबो सासे फेन। स' नोंथांमोन आरबि फिल्म प्रडाक्शनखौ सापर्ट खालामो अरायबो, माने बे फिल्म प्रडाक्शनखौल' नङा, गासिबो फिल्म प्रडाक्शन सापर्ट खालामलायनांगौ। माने बियो जोंनिनो मोनसे सम्पति होनजायो आरोना। दिनै आरो नै आरबि फिल्म प्रडाक्शना बा बायदि फिल्म प्रडाक्शनफ्रा जोंनि हारिखौ जौगाहोगासिनो दं, माने एसे डेभेलप मोजांसिन साबसिननिफ्राय साबसिन लाबोगासिनो दं। थ' बिदिबा सापर्ट खालामलायनांगौ। नाथाय लोगोफोर, मोनसे जोंनि फिल्म प्रडाक्शननि मोनसे दुखुनांथाव खोथाया जाहैबाय, जोंनि माखासे मानसिफोरा प्रडाक्शनजों दिहुनजानाय माखासे फिल्मफोरखौ कपिराइट खालामनानै डिस्कफोरखौ, केसेटफोरखौ फानो बा कपिराइट खालामनानै एसे बाहेरायाव शेयार खालामो। स' बिदिजों माखासे फिल्म प्रडाक्शनफ्रा गोदोनानै थानाङो बा लस जानाङो। बेबादिब्लालाय गासिबो फिल्म प्रडाक्शना फिल्म दिहुननायाव एसे दुखु नांनानै फिल्म दिहुननायखौ बन्द' खालामखागोन ना, लस जायोबालाय। स' बिदिबा नोंथांमोना बिदि खालामलायनो नाङा, गावजों गाव सापर्ट खालामलाय। जेब्लायबो फिल्मफोरखौ नायदो सापर्ट खालामलायदो स' बिदिबा नोंथांमोना भिडिअखौ मोजां मोनबा लाइक कमेन्ट आरो शेयार खालाम लोगोसे साबस्क्राइब खालाम आरो लोगोसे बेल आइकनखौ दाबायना हो जय बर' हारिनि